Your front door is your home's first line of defense, so why not make it smarter? The Blink Video Doorbell offers 1080p HD video, two-way audio, motion alerts, and Alexa integration. Whether you're home or away, you can see, hear, and talk to visitors from your smartphone, adding both security and convenience. Choose between wire-free installation with a battery life of up to 2 years or connecting it to existing wiring to use your home's chime. No wiring, pair it with a Blink Mini camera sold separately for indoor chime alerts with infrared night vision, a 135-degree field of view, and customizable motion detection. You'll never miss a thing day or night. Store your footage in the cloud with a free 30-day Blink subscription trial or save it locally using the included Sync Module 2 and a USB drive. The setup is simple and fast with the Blink Home Monitor app, which is compatible with iOS, Android, and Fire OS devices. This sleek, weather resistant doorbell is built to withstand temperatures from minus 20 to 45 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for any climate. A low maintenance, high performance upgrade that adds both security and value to your home. Ready to enhance your home's security?
Welcome to Surrey, in there where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.